What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 2010 HHR SS. This one does have the 4-cylinder turbo EcoTec motor in it. Be taking it down the road looking for any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I normally post all these classic American muscle cars, but every so often we'll pick up something new, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on here too. You can see close to 100 detailed pictures, get financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, all on our website. We do update that website every Monday with new cars. So we're gonna go ahead and shut this hood down and see how she runs and drives. I'm also gonna do a part 2 video, which is walking around, looking at the paint job, checking the interior out. That way you really know everything about it. All right, guys, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Go ahead and check the interior out before we leave. Seats are in great condition. With the sunroof in it. Little cluster up here on the dash. Got a tach here. Got your RPMs. The radio's not doing that. That's the refresh rate on my camera. Cold AC in this one, and everything works. Let's take off down the road. Okay guys, we're gonna take off down the road here. I'll go ahead and put my seatbelt on. This is a really nice car inside and out. It's one of the owner's personal rides that he just drives around to pick up stuff and takes his wife out to eat in. That's pretty good. Pretty quick little car too. Gets down, I got up to about 55. Pretty quick there. Straight as an arrow going down the road. Steering's nice and tight. Kick down's hooked up. Kind of holds you back just a little bit. Better slow down. It jumps up pretty quick for what it is. But yeah, this will probably be a pretty quick test drive just because it is so new. It's so nice. It's just nice and smooth. There's no issues. It's only got 46,964 miles on it. Be funny, have something like this and start busting people red light to red light. And these are front wheel drive. We're gonna pull in this parking lot. I'm gonna do a walk around video. It'll probably be short and sweet too, just because there's not a whole lot of flaws on the outside or inside of this car. But I'm definitely doing a full walk around. I'll be looking for anything I can find. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. I'm gonna get some outside shots here and we'll head back to the lot. Let's do this. All right, so if you couldn't tell, I found the traction control button past the camera. I just stomped it and started ripping the front tires. It's Pretty quick little car. It doesn't take very much. Okay, let's take off here. I'll show you what I mean. So you don't even have to be at a full stop. You could be rolling, you know, 5-10 mile an hour, floor it. It'll kick the tires over. Real peppy. So you got your town cruiser, good on gas, but it's also quick. And it's got low miles. Nope. Just put that seatbelt on. There we go. This is a road that's got the speed bump in it. The suspension feels great on this car, so. It's right here. All right, guys, we're probably gonna be stuck here for a little while. So I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video here. I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out the walk around video. It's very short and sweet. There's not a ton of flaws on this car. And check out maplemotors.com if you want to get financed, if you want shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. It's all on there and it's available to the public. We do update our website once a week, every Monday, with new classic cars. This right here is our gate blocker for now. It was a personal ride of one of the owners. And watch out for that animal on the road there. And we're gonna conclude this video. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.